In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Vultr API with Python, providing you a straightforward automation guide. So if you're looking to streamline your workflows and manage your Vultr resources more efficiently, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, we need to log into your Vultr account. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the Account section, and from there, click on API. This is where you'll manage your API access. It's crucial because API access will enable our Python code to communicate directly with Vultr services. Now, locate the option to Enable API Access and click on it. This step is essential because without enabling this, any API call from your Python script to Vultr would fail. After enabling API access, you'll be presented with an API key. This key is like a password for your script to authenticate with Vultr, so be sure to copy it and keep it somewhere safe and secure. Next, we'll need to set up our working environment in Python. The first thing we need is the requests library, which is a powerful tool that allows us to send HTTP requests using Python. Most API interactions are done via HTTP requests, so it's indispensable. Fire up your terminal and install the requests library by entering the command pip install requests. If you've got that installed already, you're one step ahead. But if not, this will only take a moment. With the request library ready to go, it's time to create our Python script. Start by creating a new file and naming it Vultr API Py, or any name you're comfortable with. Open this file in your favorite code editor, and let's add the line import requests at the top. This line will incorporate the request library into your script, allowing us to employ it for making our API calls. Now you're ready to run your script. Head over to your terminal and enter the following command: Python vultr/ap.py. This will execute your script. If you've never run a Python script before, no worries. This command will become second nature with just a little practice. Let's move on to some common API tasks. One of the most frequent tasks is listing instances. This entails making a simple API request to retrieve data about the instances you have running on Vultr. Or perhaps you may want to manage those resources by performing actions like creating, deleting, or updating instances. For deletion, simply refer to the API docs for the exact request format. Lastly, to broaden your capabilities in automating tasks with the Vultr API, make sure you check out the API documentation. It offers endpoints for all sorts of operations, from deploying and managing servers to handling DNS settings. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the use of the Vultr API with Python, paving the way for efficient and effective infrastructure management. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating!